Hi Stampin' Friends, this is Melissa the Stamp Doc. I'm coming to you today to share with you our latest lovely garden retreat from the Creative Collab Crew. This is actually our first retreat in a box and it features 10 projects. We have a very limited window for you to sign up, so you do have to sign up by March 28th. And let me show you what is included and what you can expect. So we are going to be using the Thankful Garden Bundle. This is not included in the retreat box, so if you've already purchased that, you don't have to worry about it, or if you order from another demonstrator, you don't have to worry about that either. But if you need this to complete your projects, which if you order a kit, you do need this bundle, you can order it as an add-on to your retreat with no additional tax or shipping. So it comes with this beautiful stamp set, and then there are coordinating dies. I'm going to move that over there. And then there are also these decorative masks as well. So we are going to be showing you some techniques with those, and it's definitely something that you'll want to give a try. But it's a very large stamp set, die, and coordinating mask. Now, what is included in your kit is about $50 worth of product. So the accessories that go with this is the faux velvet ribbon, so you'll receive a full roll of this. The Starburst Sequins, which look like this. I'm going to bring them up closer so you can see, because they do have like a little starburst effect on them. They're very pretty. You're going to get a package of blending brushes, and you're going to get half a package of masking paper. You're also going to get a half package of the lovely Garden Designer Series paper, and this is just absolutely gorgeous. So it's two-sided. I only have a small piece of this pattern, but it's usually a bold print on one side and then black and white on the other, so it's very versatile. And you can just, I'll go through those. And look how pretty these bold sheets are. I just love these hydrangeas on there. And then you've got just a real simple pattern on the back. Same here, black and white. And another one that's really very pretty. But you'll get a half package of the paper also. And then there's going to be 10 PDF tutorials that you can download for each project. And let me just tell you, we broke them up into 3 different categories. So we do a technique challenge every month, and so we decided to do 3 technique cards. So the first 3 technique cards are with masking and blending. So here is this one, and this one uses those masks that we had in there. Then we have this one here, which uses the masking paper. And then we have another one here that uses the masking paper and also the blending brushes. So you're going to learn 3 techniques that you can do with the blending brushes, the mask, and the masking paper. And then we also had a sketch. So each of us did a different take on the sketch. So here's this one. There's this one here. And then this one I flipped on its side and did it the other way. So you can see very different looks with the 3 sketch challenge cards. And we know you all love fun folds, so we included 3 fun fold cards as well. So here's this one here, and it just flips up like this and over like that. Very cute. And this one, I went ahead and untied it, but it does tie up. And then there's a little insert card here. So all of your cardstock will be pre-cut for you, but because you're getting the Designer Series paper, you will be required to cut that. You'll also receive paper to do your die cutting and stamping, so you will need to do that too. There will not be any die cuts or stamps done for you unless it's not included in that bundle. Then I'm going to go ahead and take this off. It's a little belly band. And then this card opens just like this. and then that slides back over it to hold it closed. So you can add whatever sentiment or decoration you want there. And then we decided for fun, we'd like to throw in a 3D project. So we've got you a covered notebook. So we'll give you the dimension for those, and you'll be able to do that also. I left it pretty plain because if you want to just do it very simple like that, you can. Or if you want to decorate it to the nines, you can do that. So here is all of those projects. I don't know if you can even see all of them on the screen. There are so many. But again, your cardstock will be cut and scored. You will need to cut your designer series paper yourself, and you also will need to do your die cutting and stamping. But we'll provide you with plenty of paper to do that. Plus, you will have step-by-step instructions for every single card. So I'm going to leave the link for this in the description, and if you want to order, just go to that link and you can order the retreat in a box. And if you like, you can do the add-ons as well. We also allow you to add on any ink pads that you may need to. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow, and I'll be back soon with more fun projects.